Here is why everyone is talking about Done by HEX 780X All right now. This Done by HEX 780X All is officially taking over the internet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Here is why everyone is talking about Done by HEX 780X All right now. This Done by HEX 780X All is officially taking